I'm making schnitzel today. I hope you are joining me for this journey so that you can try it at home too. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. I'm excited to share this with you because I love schnitzel. And if you have seen the show before, you may have seen a few weeks ago, I posted a video called kotlety, which is a Polish version of like breaded pork chops. I will link that video in the description so that you can have a look if you want to see how to make those. But today I am going to make chicken schnitzel. I'm going to show you how to butterfly a chicken breast, what I do in the process, and the end result. So let's get started. I'm starting with my chicken breast downwards with the round part up, and I'm putting my hand nicely on top of it, pointing my fingers up. I didn't really need that plastic wrap. I just had it there for when I'm pounding out my schnitzel, but that's it, a nice slice. Once you open it up, if you need to give it a little extra slice, that's an opportune moment to do that. It should look like a little heart. I'm gonna put another piece of saran on top and just give it a good pounding. Now you want to do that to both sides and have it the thickness or thinness that you want. So you do want to spread it out a bit and tenderize it, but you don't need to go crazy. Salt and pepper both sides of this, and then we do our breading. So we start with some regular basic flour. Make sure you get it all over and shake off anything that's excess. We've got our egg wash, so just a beaten egg, and we're gonna get that all over our giant piece of chicken, and then we do the panko breadcrumbs and give it a nice little push so that it does stick to the chicken and we don't lose any. Your pan should be really hot when you're putting this in, and your oil should be hot so it bubbles when you put that schnitzel in. You can watch time, or you can take a little peek underneath and see if you've got that nice brown crust and golden crispiness before flipping it over. Wait on the same side, and then you can put it on a nice little rack to cool down. If you accidentally cut your chicken breast in half, that's okay. Just cook each piece separately. This method can obviously be used for pork as well, and you can pound it out just like I did with the chicken, as well as butterfly a pork chop so that you get that nice big size of schnitzel. So if you want to try that with pork, you can absolutely do that. It works great with chicken. And even think about doing something like spicing up your breadcrumbs. So I kept it really simple with the panko ones this time, but if you want to add maybe some spice, or I think Cajun seasoning in those breadcrumbs would just be fabulous. I think that would be a really cool way to change it up. Thank you for joining me on a schnitzel edition of the Silly Kitchen. I hope to see you again soon.